toilet seat cushion is a padded accessory that fits on top of a toilet seat to provide extra comfort and warmth. They are especially useful for people who find hard toilet seats uncomfortable, such as those who have hemorrhoids, have just undergone surgery, or elderly people. Toilet seat cushions come in a variety of materials, including foam, fleece, and vinyl. They are also available in a variety of thicknesses and shapes. Some toilet seat cushions even have features like heating or cooling elements. Material: choose a material that is comfortable and easy to clean. Foam and fleece are both soft and comfortable materials, while vinyl is easy to wipe clean. Thickness: choose a thickness that is comfortable for you. Some people prefer a thin cushion. PlantMate is an automatic plant watering system designed to take the guesswork out of keeping your houseplants hydrated. It consists of a central hub, a water reservoir, and smart soil sensors that monitor moisture levels in your plants. Smart watering: PlantMate's core function is its automatic watering system. The smart soil sensors placed in each plant pot detect moisture levels and send signals to the hub. The hub then triggers the water pump to deliver the precise amount of water required by each plant, eliminating the risk of over or underwatering. Mobile app connectivity: PlantMate also boasts a user-friendly mobile app that allows you to monitor your plant's health remotely. The app provides real-time data on soil moisture levels, letting you adjust watering schedules and receive alerts when your plants need attention. Boasts a sizable 1.3-gallon PETKIT PUROBOT Ultra is an innovative, AI-powered self-cleaning litter box designed to elevate cat litter care to a whole new level. This high-tech litter box boasts a range of features that promote cleanliness, convenience, and even your cat's health. AI-powered cat recognition: the PUROBOT Ultra incorporates a rotating camera with advanced AI image recognition. This allows the litter box to identify individual cats using a combination of factors like size, coat patterns, and even facial contours. This is particularly useful in multi-cat households, enabling the PUROBOT Ultra to track each cat's litter box habits and generate personalized health reports. Automatic scooping and waste disposal: like other automatic litter boxes, the PUROBOT Ultra automatically LAWK ONE AR glasses are a pair of augmented reality (AR) glasses designed specifically for outdoor enthusiasts. They are packed with features that aim to enhance your experience during activities like cycling, hiking, or running. Here's a closer look at what LAWK ONE AR glasses offer. AR data visualization: LAWK ONE overlays essential data directly onto your field of view. This can include speed, distance, heart rate, navigation cues, and even real-time weather updates. Imagine cycling and having your speed or distance conveniently displayed right before your eyes, eliminating the need to constantly check your phone or a separate bike computer. Sports data tracking and recording: LAWK ONE can track and record various fitness metrics during your workouts. It can capture data KOKONI EC2 is a 3D printer designed specifically for beginners and children. It's known for being easy to use and safe, making it a great choice for anyone interested in getting started with 3D printing. Plug and play: the KOKONI EC2 requires minimal setup. Just plug it in, download the app, and you're ready to print. Auto leveling: the printer automatically levels the printing bed, ensuring consistent and high-quality prints. Mobile app control: everything is controlled through the KOKONI companion app, which provides a user-friendly interface for selecting and printing designs. Enclosed build area: the enclosed build area keeps curious hands and objects away from the printing hot end, making it safer than KOKONI EC2. Dyson Wash G1 is Dyson's first dedicated hard floor cleaner. It's designed to pick up both wet and dry messes in one go, eliminating the need for separate vacuuming and mopping. Here's a closer look at its features. Dual counter-rotating microfiber rollers. These rollers spin in opposite directions to pick up debris and wash floors simultaneously. The microfiber material is effective at trapping dirt, dust, and even sticky messes. 3 cleaning modes. The Wash G1 offers 3 cleaning modes: Eco, Auto, and Boost, to adjust water flow and suction power based on the mess you're cleaning. There's also a max setting for particularly stubborn dirt. Automatic dirty water separation. The Wash G1 separates clean and dirty water in separate tanks, eliminating the need to manually. Pallate uses a combination of camera and weight sensors to monitor the contents of your refrigerator. The camera scans items as you put them in or take them out, while the weight sensors track overall changes. This allows Pallate to build a real-time inventory of your groceries. Reduces food waste. By knowing what's in your fridge and for how long, Pallate can alert you when food is nearing its expiration date. This helps you prioritize using those items before they spoil, saving you money and reducing food waste. Personalized recipe recommendations. Based on the ingredients you have on hand, Pallate can suggest recipes through its smartphone app. This helps you get creative. Shower Power is a brand name for a popular shower cleaner. This product is designed to remove soap scum, calcium buildup, and water stains from shower surfaces. It often comes in a spray bottle and is advertised as being easy to use and effective without harsh chemicals. Nonprofit organization. Shower Power is also the name of a nonprofit organization based in New York City. Their mission is to provide access to hygiene essentials and services for the city's homeless and underserved population. They offer services such as distributing free hygiene kits containing items like shampoo, conditioner,